Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the glue so it lifts without scratching the glass. Put on gloves, ventilate the area, and apply a small amount of isopropyl 70% or acetone to a corner. Once done, let the solvent dwell for 1 to 3 minutes so the adhesive breaks down. That's why you test first, to avoid damage. Use a plastic scraper at a shallow angle to nudge softened glue, short strokes, low pressure. Make sure to replenish solvent if the glue rehardens. Now you focus on removing remaining residue without scratching. Work from the softened areas inward, scraping lightly with a plastic tool. If small bits resist, very gently use a razor at a shallow angle, only on annealed glass, not tempered. Once the bulk is gone, dampen a microfiber cloth with solvent and wipe in circular motions to dissolve thin films. Make sure to change cloth sections so you're not smearing adhesive back. If spots persist, finish by removing solvent residue and restoring clarity. You should wipe the glass with a glass cleaner or a 1:1 vinegar and water solution, then dry with a clean microfiber cloth. This eliminates streaks and any remaining tack. Make sure to inspect edges and corners under good light for tiny glue chips. Pick them off gently. If glue won't budge, reapply solvent and allow longer dwell time, or switch to a commercial adhesive remover. Test again first. Then repeat scraping and cleaning until the glass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.